So what if these last 14 days weren't about becoming your ultimate self, but about finally deciding who you're going to be for the rest of your life? And think about where you were when you started the journey. Maybe you were stuck, maybe you were overwhelmed, maybe you lost confidence, or maybe life had knocked you down so many times that you'd started believing that the person you once dreamed of becoming was gone. Here's what I want you to understand. They're not gone. They've been waiting for you to make a decision. Yesterday, you lived as your ultimate self. What was that like? Now, today isn't about finishing. Today is about beginning, because your ultimate self isn't some perfect version of you waiting somewhere in the future. It's the person you choose to become, one decision at a time. And there will be days when you feel unstoppable. There will also be days when you don't. There will be setbacks, disappointments, fear, doubt, and moments when the old version of you comes knocking. When that happens, remember what you've learned. Recalculate, reset, keep going, because you don't need to become someone else. You need to uncover, develop, and strengthen the person you know you're capable of being. Because from this moment forward, you are no longer waiting for your life to change. You are changing the way you live your life. You're no longer asking, what if I fail? You're asking, what if I actually become everything I'm capable of becoming? And here's the most important part that I can tell you. Don't let these 14 days become another thing you started and abandoned. Take what you've learned and practice it from today, from tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that, until the choices become habits, and the habits become character, and the character becomes your identity. Because this isn't the end of your transformation. This is the beginning of the rest of your journey. And your old story doesn't get to write the next chapter. You do. So, take a breath, stand up, look forward, and take the next step. Your ultimate self is waiting. Now go and become them, because this is day one.